Hello, my name is Matt Morgan. I'm an intensive care consultant working in Cardiff, but I also help to run the research department in critical care in Cardiff. So we've done a trial looking at some of the most critically ill people in hospital, people whose heart has stopped beating, but they've survived. So they've had what we call an out-of-hospital cardiac arrest. And one of the prime concerns for those people is them surviving, getting through, but also getting them through in a way where their brain is protected. So the trial we've done, in the past we thought that cooling people's body, very low temperatures to around 33 degrees, was helpful to preserve brain function. But we didn't really know this. And so the trial compares two different temperature points, a very low temperature of 33 versus a temperature which is more normal at 36. And actually the trial showed that there was no difference between those two temperatures on terms of outcomes for patients. And that's important to know. It means that we can treat these patients in a better way. We can treat them at a higher temperature, which may be better for their body. It's not the full story. We still don't know which one temperature is best, but that's now what subsequent trials that we are running right now will hope to answer. This has now been adopted by many intensive care units, not only in Wales, not only in the UK, but actually globally. It's also become an integral part of national and international guidelines. So the research that we've done on the most critically ill people have actually impacted people all over the world who we may have never met.